I'm guessing you've joined because you're in need of a 5-minute craft break. Welcome, I'm Claire from Created the Ottaway, and today I'm going to have a little bit of a playtime with you creating a quick Valentine's make. So I've got some supplies that are already in my stash. I'm a great believer in using what you already have. I've got a heart punch and I've got this label punch. They're both retired from Stampin' Up, but we're going to be using both of those. I've got some letters that are die cut that say love, and just a few other bits. I'm going to use this U from Blooming Phrases, and that's about it really, I think. So should we get crafting? Okay, our time is short. I've got a card base already pre-cut and made and scored in the middle. I am going to use this punch to just poke in as far as I can on the side, and I'm just going to punch out that shape, which gives me that. Okay, I am then going to fold it so that it's in the shape of the card that I want it to be, and I'm going to bring in the heart punch and I'm going to punch out a heart from this beautiful paper from Echo Park. Okay, so I've got one heart as well, and I'm going to fold it in half. This could be tricky with this cast on. There you go. I'm just going to fold it in half and use my bone folder if I can find it. Just like that. Down the middle. And then on the fold, I'm going to put some glue. Okay, so just on that fold there. Oh, doesn't want to come out. Oh, that's going to take up 3 minutes, isn't it? Okay, just on there. And then what I'm going to do is line it up in here. And then open it out so that I know that the middle of the heart with the glue on is in the right place. Just like that. And I'm just going to press that on with my bone folder as well, so that I know that the glue is sticking. Then I'm going to take my letters. Now I added some adhesive paper to the back of these letters, again from Stampin' Up. The joys of being a past Stampin' Up demonstrator. And they are going to go exactly where the heart is. So I'm going to start about there. So L. Oh. And I've deliberately done white on white, just because I want the heart to be the star, and then the more you look at it, you can see that the letters are there as well. Now this is a design of card is called a Peekaboo card, and it's useful for so many makes, but it's really, really simple. I've made it before where you put a butterfly and the butterfly comes out. Yeah, and all sorts of things, baby ones as well. But it's really such a simple make, but so effective. Okay, that's a bit lower, so let's line up the top first. Okay, so there's love, and then I've got a bit of pink card ready. I'm just going to ink up my U bit. Oh, that doesn't look that great. Let's give it a go. Oh, there's too much ink on there. No, I knew there would be. Okay, let's try again. So I've got no control with this cast. Oh, that will do. Okay, so I'm just going to cut off the end of there, like so. I'm not going to do anything too fancy, and I'm going to stick that on there, just like that. And then I've got some hearts that I'm going to add on as well. Let's have a look. I've got my dimensions through here. Okay. So let's higher up that U. So I'm adding some dimensionals behind just so that it stands up a bit. Okay, just like that. And then I'm going to stick on my hearts all around it. So I've got some hearts here. This really is a 5-minute card. Okay, there's one there. That might be too big actually. I think it's too big. I'm not happy with that one. Let's get some more glue. It's way too much glare. Let's get some off of there. Okay, put some on this one as well. And then we can use that. So we're going to put that one there. I'll put this one there. And maybe this one underneath. Like so. And that is how you make a Valentine's card very quickly. Now, do you want to see the magic? Okay, so ta-da! Look at that, isn't that clever? So that is how to make a very quick and simple Peekaboo Valentine's card. I hope you've enjoyed our quick 5 minutes play. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up or a comment. I always reply to every single one. And if you'd like some more craft tutorials like this, longer though, there's plenty more to see on my YouTube site. Just subscribe and give me a follow.